Hello guys, welcome to Java JSON, and in this video we are going to talk about file writer and file reader, advantage and disadvantage. Okay, so let's start with the file writer. So basically file writer provides an easy way to write a text data. Text data means whatever the string data we have, those you can easily write in the file, okay, with the help of the Java. Okay, it supports a various constructor that allow you to specify the file, to write option for appending the file or for overriding it. Okay, so if you want to append the files, you can take the help of that one. You have a constructor for that. If you want to appending for override also, if you want, you have a constructor for that. You can pass the true and false, and with the help of that you can do it. It's provide a similar interface for writing text data. So how it's providing similar interface for the writing a text data to the file using a write method. So it's a very easy. We have a write method. You can pass our data inside this write as a text. So it will store those data inside the file. It's automatically handle the conversion of character data to the byte data. So what is the meaning of automatically? So automatically means we don't want to write any external code for that to conversion for the data into our file. Okay, so that is the one things it will handle it. Okay, which simplify the process of writing a text data to the file. So it's a very easy to write a text data into the files. Let's go to the next slide. And what is the disadvantage of the file writer in Java? So file writer is easily suitable for the writing a text data to the file, but not binary data. Binary data means whatever the object format we have, whatever the object data we have, we are not able to write directly into the file. This is the disadvantage. File writer is not a thread set. This is the another disadvantage, which means that multiple thread accessing the same file writer object and cause a unexpected result. Okay, it means data loss issue will happen. File writer does not provide any built-in mechanism for handling errors. Okay, so file writer will not provide any other mechanism to handle the error or exception that may occur while writing to the files. Okay, but it will not handle. File writer is buffered. File writer is a buffered. Buffered means we have some external memory for that. So it will not directly store the data into the file. It will first go to the buffer, and through the buffer it will go to the main file. So that is the external memory we have for the buffer to store the data, which means that data is written to the file in the chunks. Chunks means one characters we are writing, and rather than immediately. It will not write the immediately data into the files. It will go with the chunk data. This can be load to data. This can be lead to data loss if the program terminates unexpectedly before all data has been written to the file. So for example, you are writing some data into the files, and meanwhile your program will crash, or maybe your system will shut down. The sum of the data will lost. Remaining data will be lost. We can't recover those data. So this is the another issue we can say. What is the file reader advantage? So in the file reader, is easy to read data, text data from the file in Java. So reading a text data from the file, it's very easy with the file reader. It supports various constructors that allow you to specify the file to read form. Okay, to provide a simple interface for reading a text data. It's providing a simple interface to reading a text data from a file using the read method. So read method we can use, and we can read the data from the file. It's automatically handle the conversion of byte data to the character data, which means the process of reading a text from the file, it's happened very easily. So it will convert byte into the whatever the ASCII value we have, which is integer, but still we have to convert it into the character, then only we can print it. So this is the advantage. What is the disadvantage of the file reader in Java? So file reader is only suitable for reading a text data from the file. Only reading a text data from the file is suitable, but not for the binary data. File reader is not a thread safe, same thing. File reader does not provide a built-in mechanism, same thing. File reader is buffered, same thing. This can lead to the incomplete or inconsistent data, same thing. So this will happen with the file readers, and we can control those things also. Okay, use of file reader or file writer. So if I talk about what is the use, so while using a file reader and file writer in the Java input output stream classes that are used for reading from and writing to the text file respectively. So generally whenever we are writing some text file, we can go with the file reader or file writer. It is very easy to maintain it. Okay, and it's very easy to do it. Okay, that is the use of the file reader and file writer. File reader is used to read a character data from the file, such as a text file. Okay, you can use it to read from the file one characters at a time using a read method. So while reading data from the files, we are reading only one characters with the read method, not more than that. Or you can read a block of the data using the read character of buffered methods. So through that also, if you pass, you can read some of the character, all those character data. File writer, on the other hand, it is used to write a character data to the file. File writer is able to write data into the file. You can use it to write a data to the file one characters at a time using a write int c method, or you can write a block of the data using the write character buffer method. So both are possible. It's depend on you, like how you want to store the data inside the file reader with the help of the file reader and file writer. Some key differences between the file reader and file writers are: file reader is used to read a characters data from the file, such as a text file. It provides methods for the reading and data from the files one characters at a time. You already know. It's often the use of the reading configurations files, like it is also helpful for reading those files also. Log files, data file, configurations files, text-based configuration files such as XML or JSON file also you can read. Okay. File writer, on the other hand, is used to write a character data to the files. It provides a method for writing a data to the files on the time blocks, but not suitable for the writing a binary data. It is often to use for the writing a configuration file, data files, log files, text file. Those it will support. Okay, and these are the key differences between them. Okay, this is the another key difference you can see. Okay, reading and writing configurations files, reading and writing data files such as CSV files, reading and writing log files, reading and writing a text-based configuration file such as XML and JSON. We can discuss those also. Okay, and it is also very important. Okay, so one by one we can go with that ones, like how to read the data from the configuration files, CSV files and logs files, but not right now. It's an advanced level concept while doing a real-time coding in the, like, with the help of the Spring Boot microservices and with the help of the framework. So that time we can learn, but as of now we can learn the some of the CSV and some of the log files, we can say, and text file. Those we can complete in this videos. Okay, this is the input output stream, so we can talk about later it. Okay, as of now it's fine. Okay, we can come up with some next video and we can discuss all those file related things, and we can try to implement it, like how we can read the file from the CSV. Okay, thank you so much.